No signal of some. Vishnu.
Yes, no.
So good morning, everyone. Online friends, can you hear my voice? Ready?
I was.
Direction.
Direct white.
Wait to the sir. Wait to the direct. Last side.
That onto the light. 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 ఇందులో అది పట్టుకో.
This side. This side. Okay. Yesterday map and in that map I done predicate, I think. Uh, Let me complete that once. So by predicate is a functional interface from java.util.function package introduced by 8 version and which is used to perform conditional operation on map objects. Okay, right. Make it define by function as if like by predicate we had by function also there. By function java p java dot util dot function dot by function is there. By function t u r r means result. By function is also n is also a functional interface and which is used to perform functional operation on map objects. Operation on map objects. By function is also a functional interface and which is used to perform functional operation on map objects. By function is also a functional interface and which is used to perform functional operation on map object. As if like function, collection object, by function, functional object on map objects. So structure of by function T U R means result. Structure of by function. Syntax of LAMBDA lambda expression. So by function T U R some OB by function BOB by object. You must write lambda expression for apply. Right. So written, right. Let me write the program. This is just I'm introducing by function to you. Uh, right. I took map anyway. I took some map. Demo map 2 I taken. Some product name, something I taken, right? So yesterday my intention introducing by predicate and introducing entry set. Of course, you never use entry set in the market, but any old projects are there. If you want to understand what they written, you must know entry set. In a new code writing, you'll try to write for each method only, you'll write. Save as demo map 3. So I'm taking same data I'm taking. So these are all yesterday's code. I'm removing it anyway. Right. So on this, I want to apply some by function. I want to apply. Okay, right. So I want to construct one by function. I want to construct. I want to construct one by function. I want to. T means K, U means V, R means the result. So what result it will come? It's a concept. Okay, right. So here. So I am taking by function. I am taking by function. So here T means K, no, string data. U means what now? V. V means float data. So I want to apply function on that price. I want to apply function on that price. It is also float only. What is the result I'm expecting now? Float. Some BOB I'm taking roughly. I'm writing lambda expression. Lambda expression is nothing but K comma V. Okay, right. I must apply it. Here, V plus or into 0.2 F. I'm writing. V means this one now, float. For that float, I'm adding 0.2%. 0.2% means 20%. Just roughly, I'm applying one function. So this function, I'll apply it. How I'll apply means when I'm displaying the data, I'll apply it. Okay, right. Now I'll use for each method, OB dot. For each method is the easy one for us. I'm using X comma Y because K comma V I use it here. No, I'm using X comma Y. Rough variables only I'm using. So here it is returning the result. No, here it is returning the result. How will return the result now? See there. Now system dot out dot print ln. Here I'm displaying the X value. I'm displaying the X value there. Here X value I'm displaying. In the place of Y, I'm displaying BOB dot apply. Have you observed this point? Run it. Here change, no? The data changed, I think. How much data this? 5 point. Okay, I must add it, no? I must add V plus. I must add it or not now? I must add to the original data, no? Add it. Now came, no? 680 incremented by 2%. Okay, right. Sir, original data system dot out dot println. So original data not modified. Original data. Original data available there only. So I'm not applying apply method. I'll display Y here. Means I'm displaying from OB directly. This is by function data. This is original data. Have you observed this? So what you done is, while price is coming, you are applying the function and displaying. What is the function now? 567 plus 567 into 0.2 means 20%. You are incrementing. It's a concept. So whenever you want to do some operation, functional operation, then we are going to use this by function. All of understood the statement? Right. Okay. By function is used to perform some operation on map objects. I constructed one function. I am applying it. I constructed one function. I am applying. I am displaying X here. While displaying Y, I'll apply this and I'll do. Means XY I am passing to apply method. This apply method will return this value. That's the meaning of it. Okay, right. Now, why I introduced this by function and by predicates to you means here one method is available in the function to you. Sorry, map. One method is available, that is replace all. Can you see this? This replace all method available in the list also. Have you observed that the list replace all method is unary operator? Replace all method of list is unary operator. Unary operator is a child of a function. That small question you remember it because it will help you for system test. Any multiple choice questions are coming, it will help you. Okay, right. So replace all method available in the list. Replace all method available in the map also. List and map only playing a role. Set least bothered and queue least bothered, right? Okay. Now replace all. What is the parameter here now? By function. Replace all means what now? Original data will be modified. Replace all means original data will be modified. In today's program, what you done now? Original data not modified, sir. Here only output data is coming. Have you observed this? No, sir. I want to modify the original data. See there. I am using replace all method. I'll use it. I'll use replace all method. I'll use it. Replace all method, I'll use it. This replace all method parameter is by function only. By function t comma u comma r. Replace all method parameter is what now? By function. Have you observed this point now? By function. Right. What we'll do here now? See there. Replace all method here. ob dot replace all. You have to pass that object as a parameter or not now, right? Object means this one. Can you see this? This only by function now. RHS is nothing but object only. Sir, I am passing RHS as parameter. I am passing this object as parameter or not now, right? Have you understood this? Right. After replace all, display the original data you display. Display the original data you display. The original data will be modified. The original data modified here. Have you observed? Here only output, original data not modified. Replace all means original data modified or not now. So there one by one we are modifying. Here all at a time means whenever you want to change the data permanently, Then we use replace all method. No, sir, only output I want to see. Why this kind of things means for you? DevSecOps are there. Development, operational, security tools are coming. Operational tools. Operation. Example, I'll show whether I have login or not. Let me cross check. Expired or login is there for me. 1 minute. Let me check. Login they given a expired. This is Mark Books. This is online store actually. This is anyway. Let me cross check. I kept my login expired or not. So this books dot Mark Books. So I am a consultant for it. That ERP based company is there. I am one of the team. 10 engineers are working from the background. Among that, I am one from Java expert. Right. So that software released into market already. 5 years back it released. Pharmacy softwares are there. No? That pharmacy software ERP, I am a member. There that store will be there. That people are there. No, that people. Example that proprietor will be there. Suppose stock is there. Some stock. These many medicines will be there. You cannot count manually, no? How many are there? You don't know. That one small software will control them. How means that owner will come in, he want to see how much valued stock is there. Means if I sell all, how much amount is available in that store? 5 lakhs or 6 lakhs or 7 lakhs. Then only that store count will come, no? Then he will see the report. The number of medicines and down one report will come. These are the medicines available. This is the store value up to now. So he'll check whether he is in the loss. He invested some amount. Yearly investment will be there. So whether he reached the target or not, he'll check it. If he not reached the target, he asks them, no, increment all medicines by 10% first. So then you have to apply that, no, then only replace all method. That's the concept. They'll use 10%, they'll increment. If not 30%, they'll increment the store value. Suppose some medicines they cannot increment because many stores are there, they'll compare the prices. So general items will be there. So they'll increment and come general items. And right, they'll see some values and they'll increment them and come. Some options are there. If I open, I'll show that anyway. Opened. So this is the store actually. That is working or not, I don't know. Here management will be there, stock management. Here reports will be there. This only your DevSecOps operational tools. Here you can see the ledger. You can see cost. Can you see here? Here delete option is there. Here edit option is there like this. This some ledger amount for him. Inventory report and stock statement and no. Few things not working. Stock summary. Select all and okay. Here, can you see the stock summary? Some total up on the day entry. Can you see he will get here closing amount So that stock amount is 24,815. Can you see this amount? Means, so which stock is there? How many tablets are there? And so on will come. Can you see this roughly? That 5 years, almost 8 years back, I think this one, not now. Still, they not expired my link. 8 years back, they given demo link to me to see at phone. Now we have enhanced mobile phone is there and so on. Many things happened already. Roughly, can you see stock summary is coming? No, he will see this amount. Okay, stock is 24,815 stock is there for me. If I sell the total amount, it will be there. Among that, expiry medicines also will come. For him, he don't know. They cannot go and check each tablet. No, they'll see within 1 month, 2 months, which tablet is going to expire. They'll click it. Automatically, the tablets will come out. Within 1 month, these tablets are going to be expired. Immediately, they'll ask them storekeeper to separate the tablets and keep in separate rack. Because in that bulk, if a tablet expires, he'll go to the last no. Again, he'll call the company, he'll put back and he'll take the tablets. So what you happened here? One user, one human being is controlled by one software. That is your power end. Because software engineers are highly paid. There's a reason. So one store, two employees, if you sit in one store also, he can speak to each other. He don't do any manual work. One software only will control them. Have you observed this point? Roughly I'm speaking. Like this, many methods will help them. That only collection framework. Why I'm spending more time in, there is a reason. Because tools are waiting to you. Operational tools, development tools, security tools. These are all operational tools only. Stock summary you can do. Expiry summary you can do. These are all tools only. Background tools will be running and they'll be retrieving the data. Here you know your trial expired. Can you see? Roughly, they given one login to me. Just I'm showing because my settlement over already. I took amount and came out already. Right now, I am consultant for Idea Global. One company is there in High-Tech City. I'm a subject expert for that company. Since 2 years, I'm working there. Only subject expert. I will not go to office and do something. Right? Idea Global. That is Dubai-based company. I'm working there. That is giving one ERP software out. The product is coming. Maybe 2024 August, the release is there. Since 2.5 years, they're working. So I'm a team member among that. The product will come out and we have a settlement and we take the amount and come out. Our names will not be there. But that employees, daily working employees will be there. But background, the management will hire us because they will not believe you. You'll write something, you'll code something, you'll do something. Background, they'll have a team like us. So they'll have a review check. They will not believe you. Understand that the review check whether correct or not means documents will come to us. So tie-ups will be there. Means some because documents should not be released out. No, some tie-ups like this. We work from background. Background teams will be there for every management. In that background, subject experts will be there. Since many years, who are in touch with the subjects, that people will be working like us. Few people. We'll check it. We'll align it. We'll do it. We'll suggest it. We'll write it, and we give it. Like this, I worked for Mark Books. Now I'm working for Idea Global. Anyway, can you see why this method is important now? Right. If you want to, suppose you will say, I want to see, example, I want to increment product price by 10%. See, it means roughly. You'll take by function. He don't know. They will click and enter it. Background, we only will write that methods and give to them. That method available, who knows now? One subject expert only knows that method available there. So that we search it and we give to them. One tool we run it and give to them and we link it. That is happening because DevSecOps is very popular anyway. So that management will ask to increment 20%. Show me how much cost I'll get it. So first 24,000 is there. In that product, they'll apply 20%. So margin will be increased. Sir, 30 to 35,000 coming, sir, within. Okay, they'll say, okay, increment all prices by 20% and but label it again. Means products, I'm not speaking about medicines, product, they'll label it and put it. Automatically, the store will come to 20% to 30% hike amount will come out. The technique. All have understood by function and replace all. Write it. Define replace all. At one stage only amount will not come. If one stage crossed, amount will come. So amount is not mandatory here. So our students will look for amount, but don't look for amount. Look for subject and experience. Amount will come. Now 10 lakhs is not important. After 40 years, 10 lakhs is important. After 40 years, 10 lakhs is important. Now 10 lakhs not important. Difference, you got it? What I said. I also raised. I crossed 40 recently. So now 10 lakhs is very important for me. 100 day 10 lakhs not important. 100 day I learned subject. You must be busy with subject and experience. After that, amount will come. Experience comes, nobody can stop you. That also knowledge, experience, nobody can take it. Your property can be taken. But knowledge, who will take it? And that's what that you should gain. That because we educate a student always, because your minds are sharper minds, means this 17, 16 years to 28, 32, 35 years. This is called middle form. In this middle form, student can learn more. That period that people will waste it. After that, they will struggle it. Suppose after 40 years, if you want to learn something, mind will not work. That is the reason we threaten it, we fear it. Some teachers will beat it, punish them, because their intention, learning period, you must not waste it. After that, if you learn it also, the mind will not work. That is the reason the teachers will say. So that also you should be care. Means that period I should learn and gain it, amount will come. Right. Replace all. Replace all. Replace all method is used to replace all elements. Replace all. This is replace all. Method is used to replace all elements based on some function, based on some functional operation, 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 they'll do. Right. So method signature anyway. Method signature, I'm repeatedly copying again here, and once again I'm copying. Syntax, I'll copy this syntax from here. This is syntax. So replace all method available in list. Replace all available in the map also. Okay, right. Recently, you've seen the posting in Warangal, one placement done. Have you done? Recently, have you seen the posting in Instagram? I think one placement happened in this Warangal city. That who done that placement? He is my student actually. That person who done this placement is my student. Moreover, his first company is Sun Skills. So I am also supporter for him. 10 years, 12 years back, I am supporter. Sun Skills company, that is. Their target is installing software for LKG, UKG students. If we click it, Apple sound will come. If we click it, bad sound will come. That one idea got by one student. That 5 members BTech students became a group and they started. 12 years back they started. Now they are CEOs actually. Now they started one more company. Now they are hiring placements they are giving. That one person small idea today incremented still is in touch with me anyway. He done placement. I only reviewed that placement last week Sunday. I reviewed that placements already. He came to me and in documents is in touch since 12 years will come. What I am speaking means small things also should not neglect. Small things surround you also. If you get any idea, you must go forward. Trying a job also important, and any other opportunity is there, you have to enter it, and you must put your knowledge there. That will help in some other way. Correct. Subject is playing a role. Anyway, replace all. Now look here. In this, one more method is there here. Anyway, size is empty, contains, of course, contains all also. You can do get, put, remove. Can you see put all? Put all means adding. Key set, okay, off. So I'll use put all method anyway. Suppose I'll take one more. Because it has to change the names, no? If not, it will not accept. Yes or no? Nah. Right. Just roughly. Okay. Put all method. So system dot out dot println. So I am using method known as put all. Put all. Where is this put all? Here map is there. Some map. Some map is there. Here. This is OB2, no? Here, OB dot put all of OB2. I'm trying to add this. For each method common, no? Here. But actually modification happened already from by function executed, no? Right. It has been merged or not now? I don't know. That's called put all. Put means a single, put all means all. You can merge two maps. You can merge it. All of understood this put all. Put all means you can add one more to another. Sometimes they'll merge it and reporting. In reporting tools, they'll merge another. Suppose they want to merge the stock available in another store. They want to merge it. Means the two stores will be there. Immediately stock came here means they'll ask you to enter in one location because data entry people will be there. They'll ask him to enter it. They'll send it. Once they send a copy, they'll copy it and they'll merge it. Automatically it will be merged. Of course, primary key is there. No, it will not happen. So if it is merged, of course, duplicate records will be, error will come out. It replaces with a new one. Happen. Right. Here one off method also available to you. Can you see off? Off means what now? Immutable. So immutable possible in list and immutable possible in your map also. You can have immutable object here. So system dot out dot println. So immutable map object. Immutable map object. So let me open map once. Can you see here? K comma V, KV, 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 KV. You are writing side by side or not now? Writing side by side. Okay. So here I forget it. Return type is map only, no? Right. So map, I am writing string and float. I'll take some M. I'll take and here map dot off method. I will write off method here. Suppose F pins float, no? Hope it is enough, I think, up to here. Right. This is immutable. Immutable means you cannot change, no? Immutable object display. Anyway, instead of OB, you must use what now? M. Understood? Right. One off method is there on list. Off method is there on set. Off method is there on map. Off method not available on queue. Remember. In queue not there. So off method introduced by 8 version or 9 version? 9 version, not 8. Off method is from which version? 9, not 8. Okay. This is the program and I used all methods. Hope so. So list all methods, map all methods majorly. Demo map3.java. So this is the program. Right. So demo map3 is a program. So today's target is understanding by function and replace all one method is there. That's the method. Put all anyway. Put method is there, put all. That methods available in the list, no? They'll ask with combinations of map. So hope we covered all methods related to list and map. Majorly these two. Set is option. So some constructor formats I'm postponing and coming. Right. Okay. Now star mark IMP. The following are some important functional interfaces from Java dot util dot function in function package introduced by Java 8 version 1 consumer by consumer predicate by predicate. Function. Function. Can you say T comma R? T comma R result. And by function T comma U comma R. This is all we have been covered. So they'll ask in the interview whether you know them or not. They'll ask it. These are playing key roles in your tools. Tools. In advanced Java, they never use. In tools, when you reach the last level tools, in the background, they'll use these. Tools are retrieval processes for you. The tool designers will use this. Functional interfaces. Functional interfaces. All are lambda expressions only, no? Right, okay. Now, whatever the interface chapter I given, in that interface chapter I given a point to you. Interfaces are categorized into three types to you. One is normal interfaces, functional interfaces, and marker interfaces. Marker interface examples not entered till now. Up to now, normal interface example is a collection and a map. And functional interface examples are these six. Remember the statement. Okay, right. Now, we are under concepts. In concepts, object types are going on. In object types, we done array objects. Array objects drawback is a collection. Have you observed this point? Right. So under collection, we can have list objects will be there. Under collection, list objects will be there. Under collection, queue objects will be there. Queue objects will be there. Under collection, we had map objects, set objects will be there. Set objects will be there. Under list, we had array list object. Array list object. Array list object will be there. Here, linked list object. Linked list object. So here, vector object. Vector object will be there. Under vector, one child is there. That is stack object is there. One child. Queue. Queue direct object is priority queue object. Priority queue object is there. So queue has one internal flavor known as DQ. DQ flavor is there. Under DQ flavor, we had two operations we can do. One is array DQ object. Array DQ object. And again, repeatedly comes here as a repeated format as a linked list. Linked list will come here also. Linked list object will come. Set. Has set object. Has set object. And linked has set. Linked has set object and tree set object. Tree set object. So these are objects. Map has four flavors here. Four flavors. One, hash map. Hash map object. Linked hash map. The names are similar. We write down by down. So nearly we write it. So this is linked hash map object. Hash map object. This is tree map object. Tree map object. Right. Here hash table synchronized anyway. We had hash table will be there. Hash table. So last object is enum. It's on the way. Okay, right. Last, that only object types. Object definition, object creation, object location, object components, types of objects you are learning. Among the types of objects, you are in the last one, not entered. Okay, right. Object collection, grouping objects. You can do grouping objects using array you can do. Yes or no? I can do using collection I can do. Grouping objects I can do with collection. I can do with the map. All of you understood? There are three options are there. You can ask your company which one you want. We'll use only these two in the company. Whether you want to organize the objects in the form of collection or map. So objects sorting you can do. I done array sorting, no? Yes or no? Na? Sir, you can do array sorting you can do. Array sorting you can do. Sorting, array sorting using sort method available, no? Yes or no? Na? One sort method. So, sir, I can do here collection sorting means only list sorting possible. Okay, right. So I can do list sorting. I can do list sorting using sort method from collections and two are there, no? Yes or no? Na? Sort method from list. Two options there, no? One sort method available in the list, one sort method available in the collection. You'll use sort method from collections is the old one. Don't use that. You have to use what now? Sort method from list. So list sorting possible. Queue you cannot sort it. Queue sorting not there. You must not do sorting on queue. Queue means standing in line, no? How can you go and sort them? Suppose one ATM center is not working, roughly I'm speaking. So all are going and standing in the line from since morning 5 o'clock onwards. Bank will be opened by 10 o'clock. Almost 5-6 hours they are standing. One person came and stand according to the height means they'll beat him, I think. Since morning 5 o'clock I am coming and standing here. You are coming and ordering it. How can you sort them? Sorting not happens on the queue, not there. Sorting not there. So list sorting only there. Queue sorting not there. Set sorting is there, but set do not have index value, no. For that they only given a sorting to you by using tree set. So set sorting available. Set sorting using tree set you can do. And map sorting is there, no. By using tree map. So map sorting. Map sorting. Using what now? Tree map. It's a concept. All of you understood this sorting objects, collection objects. So what is pending means object lock, multi-threading, object serialization, files concept, cloning. These three topics only after holidays, 3 sessions. 3 means 3 into 2 means almost 6 sessions class is available. We are nearer actually. 6 to 7 sessions, the course would be ended. So because these three only pending, remaining all ended only, right? Okay. So this one small concept only, it takes only 20 to 25 minutes because enum object is a very less used component. We never use also because class is dominating, because classes and interfaces only will be dominating. That's the point. So here, object oriented programming components be done, concepts going on anyway. We done exception handle. And here, Java collection framework, we are using one term known as data structures. No, yes or no? Na? Now write, define data structures, you write one question. Define data structures. Structure means what? One defined format. We call it as structure. Data structure means data format. The best example is medical shop only. So well-ordered data will be there in that medical shop. Whenever you ask a tablet, he'll go to one rack and he'll bring it. He will not search for 5-10 minutes. Of course, he will be controlled by rack number. Whether you know or not, I don't know. Apollo Pharmacy software is there, no? In that software, if you speak one tablet, if he will not understand, he'll ask again. What is that? He'll ask. Starting 3 letters will be there, no? He'll type it. So the tablet list will come. So whatever you are speaking, the tablet list will come. So you'll say that once again, no, he will see it matches. He says it is available. How many you want, he will say. Meanwhile, that the tablet names beside rack number will come for him. He'll go to that rack. That ABCD racks will be there. No, you go there and click it. Means he is searching one tablet because of well order. Maintaining the data in well order for efficient search is known as data structure. The data structure best example is search engine. Google search engine is there. No? It is running in data structure algorithm. So simply data structure means one defined well organized format. Make it. Data structure is a specialized format for organizing, processing, retrieving, and storing data. Data structure is a specialized format for organizing, processing, retrieving, and storing data. Means well-ordered format, we can say. So if data structure will speak about well-defined format, you can say. Okay, right. Right. Data structures will support more efficient search process. Means we can perform search process efficiently on data structure. That is the advantage for it. Okay, right. Because everywhere data structure only. Nowadays, searching is very high. If you see yourself also, you will spend in the mobile phone almost 4 to 5 hours you will spend without your knowledge. That also scratch time. That time will not be useful to you actually. That is not career time also. Suppose if you watch one movie also 3 hours will be there. Like this, if you keep on searching 24 hours per day, almost 3 to 4 hours, minimum 2 hours if you take it. So every human being will spend 2 hours to 3 hours time. That is scratch time. Scratch time means not meaningful time. It will not useful time at any cost. Like this per day 3 hours if you take also, for a month it will be more number of, means among the 30 days, some days will go. In here, 4-5 months will be missing actually. If you observe it, if you calculate roughly, you'll understand. Per day 3 hours if we take also, 3 threes 9. 900 hours will be there. No, 900, 90 hours if we take it. 90 hours into 12 if we take. You also don't know mathematics. Right. The number of days will be missing or not now. Roughly I'm speaking. So some people will spend almost, now I watched some people, they'll play some games, no? They'll spend almost 5 to 6 hours per day, they'll spend it. 5 to 6 hours per day means he will be live in the year only for 3-4 months only. Remaining 7 months he will give for the YouTube channel only, I think. That is called scratch time. So nowadays the search is very high. Whenever you want to do search process more efficiently, data structure will support it, make it. We can perform search process more efficiently on data structures, more efficiently on data structures. These data structures in all languages categorized into 2 types. Make it. Data structures are categorized into 2 types. Linear data structures and non-linear data structures. Linear data structures and non-linear data structures. Linear data structures and non-linear data structures. Linear means what? Like a line, sequence. It must not say sequence, but they are in the line. The sequence means side by side again. They may not be in the side by side. They are like a line format. That's called linear. Non-line format is non-linear. So example for non-linear, tree. Tree looks non-linear. It's called tree. Tree is non-linear. Okay, right. Q is linear because Q means they'll stand in the line only. No? Right. So linear, non-linear. The 2 data structures will be there. You can arrange the data in linear. You can arrange the data in non-linear. The data structures which organizes data in linear means line format, in bracket line format. The data structures which organizes data in linear are known as linear data structures. Linear data structures. Linear data structures. Example for linear data structures for you, not for you, sorry, normal linear data structures are array, linked list, normal I am writing, normal, queue, and stack. Because of this reason, in your C language data structure, they'll train that only. Array they will train, linked list they will train, queue they will train, stack they will train. That 4 known as linear data structures, you can say. Among that list, they'll say single linked list, double linked list, and so on. They'll give some names, they'll give it. So actually, these 4 are examples of original linear data structures. One is array, one is linked list, one is queue, one is stack. Array, element to element, space not there. Linked list, element to element, space may be there because they are in the scattered form, but organization is like a line only. queue one algorithm, stack one algorithm, because this 4 comes under linear data structures. All of you clear about this? Whatever the data structure given by other languages, they have to cover these 4. That's the rules. The language can be anything, but they have to cover these 4. We also covered these 4, no? Yes or no? Na? But we covered in an indirect format, we covered. We took one collection, under that collection category, means we had our own API. Through that API, we covered. But actual original are, this 4 comes under linear data structures, you can say. Non-linear, the data structures which organizes data in non-linear means non-line format. Non-line format are known as non-linear data structure. Non-linear data structures. In your graduation education, you had non-linear means they'll say trees, tree, and graph. Graph, tree and graph. In tree algorithm will be there, no? Pre-order, in-order, post-order. Graph means BFS, DFS. Breadth first search, depth first search. 2 algorithms will be there. Tree means in order, pre-order, post-order. So non-linear we never work in language formats. We work what now? Linear. All of understood this category first, data structure category, right? So we also covered the data structure. We also covered the data structures. How you cover the data structures means, right, note. According to Java language, the following are the data structures. The following are data structures. We covered array directly. We covered collection. Yes or no? Na? We covered map. Covered map. So under collection list is there. Under list linked list is there. Under list vector is there. Under vector stack is there. Under list queue is there. Directly, indirectly we covered them. Map is nothing but your organization looks like your tree, they will say, and that's the point. Based on one key, they will be traveling, no? That key format, that linear data structure format will come. Actually, if you know trees, you will understand generally. One key will be there. Greater or smaller means they'll come here. Lesser means they'll come here. Like this, some travel will happen for tree. Of course, many binaries, search trees are there, and many trees are available in your data structure chapters. They indirectly brought it in the form of API. Make it. In Java, data structures are available in the form of API. API means what now? Predefined and constructed in the form of API. Application programming interface in the form of API. Means predefined APIs for us. Okay. Now, I'll scroll back once. Here under concepts, after exception handling, we entered into collection. Under collection, we are busy in covering what now? Array. We are busy in covering our, what is that? I forget it. Collection. And we're busy in correcting your map. All of you got this point, whereas you covered. What is pending there means that the constructors only pending. It takes 40 minutes session it takes. We are comparing and sizes and we are writing notes because I stopped there. That only conclusion is waiting. All of you understood up to now? Right. Today I introduced one stream concept I written yesterday. Stream. One stream concept came by Java 8 that we are going to introduce. Means from collection framework, one more session is waiting. The session is nothing but we have to compare that constructors and we have to write the capacities for interview point of view. And one more interface they brought known as a stream. One interface they brought it. This discussion will take one session. One session is pending. After that, we complete collection. Then after collection, we do we do enum first. What we are going to do now? Enum first. Where is that enum? We do this down here. First we do enum. Okay, right. After enum completed, that all objects completed, then we do multi-thread, file, and networking. All of you clear? This is a syllabus pending. Almost 6 to 7 sessions needed for me to cover it. Okay. From tomorrow onwards, holidays to you. Management given 4 days holidays for you. 13, 14, 15, 16. Understood now? Right. Tomorrow Saturday, no? Saturday holiday. Sunday holiday. Monday, Tuesday holiday. Means 13, 14, 15, 16. Clear? Right. So next class will be on Wednesday. But Wednesday, Venkatesh sir is giving a leave to you. Wednesday, no class. Thursday, no class. Friday, the class would be there. So your class reopens on 19th Friday. Clear everyone? Right. This is Friday. Friday, Saturday, I'll conduct the class. Okay, right. Friday class is discussion about your constructor, but Friday, Saturday, I'll keep a link in the Google Classroom. I'll come to the class. One student is there also, I'll teach, but I'll support you. Ending batch, no? I'll support you with the link. I'll post. If anybody cannot travel back again, I'll post the link. You watch it in the link. Clear everyone? Frankly, I'm speaking. So Friday class is that constructor pending is coming now always. It takes 40 minutes to discuss all constructors and capacities. Then I'll write stream concept. That is on Friday. Saturday I'll write enum. Means up to Friday and Saturday I'll complete up to enum. Next Monday will be there, no? 19, 20, 21, 22 Monday. 22 Monday I'll start it as a multi-threading chapter. I'll start. So Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday multi-threading. 3 days. Thursday, Friday, IO stream file. Saturday, networking. After that, one session, the course will be dead. That's the plan. Great. Take a break. Right. We are meeting on 19th again. Right. Don't forget me. My name is Venkatesh Maipadi, sir. After coming back, who are you? Don't ask it. Right. Right. Thank you very much. Take a break. Take notes, man. Whatever you want to do it. Assignment you want. I'll post it. From after holidays, maybe. No, it's the same.